Since the start of the year, at least 250 Canada Post staff members at the facility have tested positive for the virus, and the man who died had currently been isolating after contracting COVID-19. With the news of an employee death, the union is calling for answers and demanding a full investigation.
What could we have done better to have a safer workplace? It's a question.
This Canada Post driver describes the mood inside the Gateway East plant today.
Very tense. A lot of people are nervous.
The Canadian Union of Postal Workers was informed this morning of the tragic news that one of their members who worked the night shift at the facility had died.
We want to express our condolences to his friends and his families, and also to the co-workers who I'm sure are suffering and are going through a hard time with the outbreak they're already experiencing there at Gateway.
There are 4,500 workers at this location. More than 220 have tested positive in the outbreak so far. The numbers are growing, leaving many wondering if one of the COVID variants is to blame.
We have requested variant testing from Public Health Ontario for swabs taken from the Canada Post outbreak.
The spread has been moving so quickly that Canada Border Service guards in charge of inspecting packages were told to stay away last week. According to Canada Post, the worker tested positive on January 19th and died over the weekend. A spokesperson says they remain committed to helping their workers and giving them the support they need to deal with the tragic loss of a colleague. The union tells us safety is not negotiable.
There needs to be a further in-depth investigation to find out the root cause. And then when we find out what the issues are, we have to fix them, because we don't want this kind of outbreak to happen in any other facility across this country.
Or any additional deaths.
I would like to send my deepest condolences to his families, friends, and co-workers.
Peel officials holding a news conference this afternoon. The region's medical officer of health says Canada Post has followed all recommendations during the outbreak, including rapid on-site testing.
We need more rapid testing in these settings to go beyond the initial high-risk exposures in workplaces to really see if there's further spread within these facilities.
As Peel Public Health looked to slow the spread of infections, more than 350 workers an entire shift were sent home to self-isolate last week. Canada Post says the Gateway facility is still operating. However, with hundreds of their staff members currently isolating, they're reminding customers and Canadians to expect delivery delays. Nicole Martin, CHCH News.